In this section, we want to talk about different types of loans and credit lines. But to start off, we're just going to talk generally about loans and look at a few different formulas here. In example 1, we want to calculate the interest due for the monthly installment payment with a remaining principal of $5,451.01 and an interest rate of 5.75%. We have a formula provided for calculating that interest due, and I've already set that up in Desmos. So we can evaluate I of the principal, 5,451.01, plug in our interest rate of 0.0575, and for n, we need our number of compounding periods. Since we're making monthly payments, we'll plug in a value of 12. We come up with a result of 26.1194, etc., etc. In this case, natural rounding rules would already have us round that up to $26.12, but it's important to keep in mind that anytime we're talking about the amount, or anytime we're calculating the amount we would owe someone else in terms of loans and interest, we always round that up. So regardless of what that next digit would be, this would still round up to $26.12 for that monthly interest. In example 2, now we want to calculate the monthly payment. So that would be the amount that we're paying towards interest and the principal, with some given initial conditions here. I've already got that formula set up in Desmos as well. So we'll evaluate lowercase p of capital P, our principal of $93,200, our interest rate of 0.0517, a time of t equals 3 years, and since we're looking at monthly payments, 12 compounding periods, to come up with $2,800.41. Natural rounding rules would have us round up, but even if they didn't, we would still round this up to say that that monthly payment would be $2,800.41. In example 3, we want to calculate the cost to finance a loan. That is the total amount of money that we have to pay in order to get the amount that we borrowed. What we'll do in this case is no particular formula, just add these values up. In this case, we know the total interest that we paid on a loan, plus there were a couple of fees to establish that loan. What we'll do is take all those values, add them together to get $19,239.21. So it's not stated here what the original loan amount was, but in order to receive that money for whatever purpose, we had to pay a little over $19,200 to be able to get access to that money due to the interest and fees associated with the loan.